This package contains one of the dupes that I talked about a couple of videos ago. So let's get into it. Hey, Andrea, and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But let's get into it today. So this right here is one of the dupes that I talked about in maybe a video that I did last week or the week before last. And I decided to go ahead and get it now. It looks cute online, and as I said, I think it will probably be a really good alternative to the Coach investment, or a good way to try out to see if the silhouette will actually work for you. However, I don't know what the quality is going to be, so I've tried to reel in my expectations after the debacle with that press and carry shoulder bag dupe that I got, because that one was terrible. So I'm wondering if y'all have any idea which one I got this time. So it did not come in a box. As y'all can see, it came in that brown, noisy brown paper bag type material. And this is somewhat of a structured bag. So again, I'm wondering why they didn't throw it in a box or at least put it in some bubble wrap. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I got. So this is what the packaging looks like. So y'all can probably already tell at this point. But let me get this out of here. I don't know why I didn't bring scissors. I didn't expect. Oh, here we go. Okay. All right, ladies, this is not bad at all. We already know this is in leather, but right off the bat, it doesn't feel cheap. And it may be because it's stuffed, but this doesn't feel plasticky. It doesn't look real shiny and cheap like that other fake leather. This almost feels like it could be leather. This feels like a really good quality vegan leather or polyurethane, whatever you want to call it. But as y'all can see, I got the swing zip dupe in the light pink. So it does have 4 feet on the bottom. So the hardware on here is gold. These feet do have, like, there is some protective, like some little stickers on these feet. So I'm gonna leave them on here for now. There's no branding on here, as y'all can see. I'm trying to get a feel for the buckles to see what the weight, how they're feeling like as far as weight. And it's kind of hard to tell. It's probably like mid quality. It's the hardware. Like, it doesn't feel like super cheap, but obviously at this price point, it's not going to be the best. But it don't feel cheap. So let's just say that. Get y'all a closer look so you can see like the color gold. So it's not that real shiny gold either, and it's more of like a brassy gold. You got the leather zipper pull, well, the pleather zipper pull. You can get a close-up, see, look at the stitching. If this will focus. And the stitching on the bag is good. I don't see any pop stitches. I don't see any crooked stitches. I don't see any loose thread. I don't know how well you all will be able to see that, but the stitching on here is pretty good too for the price point. So let's get on the inside and see what this looks like on the inside and get the straps out. I'm assuming the straps are in here, and they are. Oh, this is a nice dupe. Okay. So it's stuffed. It's got paper in here. The straps are completely covered or protected with this little foam stuff, kind of like how Coach does theirs. And this is good and bad. It's wasteful, more trash that we have to figure out what to do with, but then it also makes it harder. It takes longer to get into the bag, but if it came damaged, I would be mad at that. So, you know, we're gonna complain about something. So the glazing on here looks good. You can see it's not wonky or uneven. or messy. And it looks the same on the other side. So let me go ahead and put these straps on. Y'all, I think I like this. I would wear this. And definitely is going to give me an idea if I would want to buy the swing zip. But yeah, I will wear this. This is cute. And it feels good to the touch. Like, it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy or plasticky. Like I said, it's not super shiny. I didn't really know what to expect with this one, because they all look good online, right? All right. So this is what it looks like with the straps and everything on and attached. Really nice. I didn't give y'all the side view, so you can see what she looks like from the side. What is that? I don't know what that was, but so this is what it looks like from the side. And let's get on the inside of this bag. Oh, and I forgot. So this one, it comes with a cherry. Not like I don't already have a cherry charm or 2 or 3, but it comes with a cherry charm. So if you don't have one and you decide to get this bag, then you don't have to worry about getting one. And this bag is also polyurethane on the inside. So they really are duping the Coach. Like, there's no fabric lining. This is the leather-like material on the inside of the bag. You got a you really can't, it's really hard to say what the front and back is on this bag since there's no branding, but I'm assuming the back wall is the wall where this zipper is. So there is one zipper compartment that stretches along the entire back wall, and then the front wall has a little small like hard slot, and you can see it's just one open compartment. What does this inside compartment look like? Oh, and the inside pocket is still polyurethane. So it is not fabric lined. It's polyurethane as well. And I forgot to grab my tablet down here, but I'm going to go grab that real quick so that I can look this bag up on Amazon real quick and show y'all what other colors it comes in, just in case it's changed since I did the dupe video a couple of weeks ago. Okay, so this bag is $39.98 and it comes in a whole bunch of different colors. So this one is rose pink, and then they have black, maple. Then there's another pink, which is a lighter pink. It's like a really pale pink. Like, I thought this was pale, but there's one that's much lighter than this, that almost look more beige than pink, and they're calling it pink. They have wine red, which looks like Bordeaux. Beige, their beige looks like chalk to me. And then they've got this brown that's really cute, that's more orangish to me, like maybe like cognac. And then they have gray, really pretty gray. And then they have navy blue. So they have 9 different colors. So most of these are $39.98 with the exception of maple and wine red. So maple is $49.98, and then the wine red is $35.98. But none of these are on sale, and all of them except the beige, brown, gray, and navy blue are available. Like, if you're a Prime member, for overnight delivery. Like, pretty much all of them are available overnight except for one color, and that's the maple one. So if I had to rate this bag as far as dupes go, I'm gonna say I would give this like an 8, maybe an 8.5 out of 10. And the only reason why I wouldn't give it a 10 is just because, I don't know. I just, I think anything could be improved. So it's just hard to give a perfect score for something when we're always looking for improvements. But what I will say, and maybe this may be a reason why somebody may say this one deserves a 10 now. I have read some of the reviews on this bag. Well, I read some of the reviews before actually pulling the trigger on it. And one person said that they have made some changes to this bag since they originally released it. So apparently this brand released this bag before, but had a fabric lining and maybe 1 or 2 other things things that were different. So there were a couple of reviewers who said that they noticed the upgrade on these pieces from this seller, and that they appreciated them putting the leather or the leather-like material inside of the bag, whereas they didn't have it before. So it looks like they have made some changes to make this more like the Coach version. And like I said, it does not feel fake. Looking at it like in person, it doesn't look fake. Like it looks like it could be real leather. So I would say that if I were one to give something a perfect score, this one would definitely deserve a perfect score. But I'm gonna say 8 out of 5 out of 10 on this. This is probably the best dupe that I've gotten off Amazon so far. So let me know what you all think. I know for a fact, me myself with this, I will wear this bag proudly. Let me put the charm on it so that y'all can see what it looks like. I almost don't want to open this because I have so many cherries just laying around. As a matter of fact, I'm not. See, I could use this and give this away as a gift or something. Give it to one of y'all. So I just grabbed the cherry off my Rebel 24 and let's put it on here and see what it do. So here it is, ladies. This is what she looks like with the cherry. Super cute. I think this one is really, really worth the money. Like, this is a great dupe. But let me give y'all a little game on this charm and how you got to throw it on. First of all, don't think you're going to be able to clip the charm to the buckle. There's not enough space. You're not going to be able to use the lobster, whatever you call this. You're not going to be able to attach it to the buckle. So you can forget that. You're going to need to take the ring off of the charm and use the ring to attach the charm to the bag. So you're going to attach the ring to the strap and then buckle the strap and pull it down. And then in order for the charm not to be too long for the bag, you do not want to attach the charm to the ring by the hook. You want to attach it to the bottom part of the hook. So that way it falls just like that. So that's all I have for you. I just wanted to come on here and unbox this with you to see if it was really a good dupe. And like I said, I'm touching this, looking at it, feeling it. To me, this is an excellent dupe for the Coach Swing Zip. If you don't want to spend the money, or if you want to try the silhouette out first, comment down below and let me know if this is one that you would consider buying. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later. Bye.